Hi guys, today I am here to help you to identify the fake supplements all around the world. So I'm basically using this Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey Protein, which is one of the best protein all around the world. So I will let you know how to detect this fake on standard gold whey protein. So basically in India you will find many fake supplements. So to provide awareness about this product, I will let you know how can you detect this fake supplement. First you need to check is the spellings of all these values: gold standard, whey, source of high quality proteins. So if it is a fake product, then there might be a possibility that some spelling issues might be there. Second thing, you can check the address part, that what the address it is having, because this on manufacturer is in US, so it should be an address having US. So here if you will see, it is having US customer service and 975 Meridian Lake, Dr. Aurora, USA. So it is having the USA address, which is the manufacturing address of this product. So here you will see that it is having one more address, that is EU customer service and Ireland. So basically I have purchased it from bodybuilding.com site. So they are having that address also. So the first thing is this, you can check this address. It should be having this US address. Second thing is the barcode. It is having the barcode. You can check online about this barcode, that it is a authenticated product or not. And other thing is, if you will see on the below part, it will be having a value known as PONT. So all these products will be having value PONT. So, and third part, if you will see the expiry date of this product, if you will see the expiry date of this product, as it is showing here is June 2018. So it will be having expiry date here or below the box. So like this you can detect the fake supplements. Other thing is, you can check this value. If it is an 5 lbs box, then it will be having a value known as 74 servings. So this you can check, because I have checked many sites online and it is showing that 73 servings. So please check on that part also. And other thing, check the nutrition information, as nutrition information is having value about all the energy, fat, carb, fiber, protein, salt and all things. So check the nutrition value and match it on the bodybuilding.com site, that it is original or not. And as guys, I am using this product, so I don't have the seal above this. So basically when it comes, it is having a seal of some golden color. One golden strap will be there and some black part of seal will be there. So you can check that part also. And here also check that it is written on www.optimumnutrition.com. You can check that true strength. Okay. And if you will open that part, then there will be no sealed all around. There will be on an open seal kept here. And if you will see the scoop of this, I'll show you. If you will see the scoop, it will be having written PONT on it. If you will see, okay, PONT 70 ml. So it will be white in color and written PONT on it, or it will be of golden color. So this, by this, these things you can check that it is an original product or a fake product. So guys, basically I have purchased this on standard gold whey online from bodybuilding.com, and I have purchased it from bodybuilding.com. So I am from India, so it reached to me in around 1 month, and I got stuck in all the excise, customs and duties part. So I don't suggest you to buy it from bodybuilding.com, because there are many Indian suppliers also which supply these products, and that are authenticated supplier, that you can check on Optimum Nutrition site. So basically three suppliers are there. One is Nuvera suppliers, which supply through New Life, and there I checked the price, it is around 6,000. And another is Bright Commodities, that supply through Health Card, and their price is around 7,000. And one is Prime Rack, that supply through Amazon.in. So you can buy it from anywhere, wherever you like, and enjoy this product. This is one of the best products for bodybuilding.com. And guys, subscribe my channel, because I will be sharing the videos about the workouts, best training workouts, best plans, best diet plans, with reviews about the best supplements like Animal Pump and Quadriline, like fat burners and all. I will be sharing the reviews because I am using this product, and I will be sharing all about this. So basically, like my channel, and please do like this video if you want, guys. And okay, thank you, bye.